Hey guys, Helvetica here, coming at you with some brand new news. And actually today, this is all going down as we speak, 34 minutes ago. So, apparently the Syndicate project posted a video, and it was copyright struck by someone and taken down. I'm not sure if that relates to this exactly. We're just finding out about this. But as you can see here, he apologizes to anyone who feels misled regarding the ownership of Csgo Lotto. I will always be more transparent from here on out. I do, however, stand firmly behind the fact that Csgo Lotto has never and will never scam/steal from players. I've always disclosed that my Csgo videos were sponsored and even asked a YouTube employee if anything more was needed, and they said it wasn't. Transparency from here on out. Now, what I'm getting from this is that he posted a video, and Csgo was giving him stuff, and he didn't really disclose it to everyone that he was sponsored by them. And people found out about it and were upset about it, you know. Just like how T Martin is sponsored by Activision. People always get on T Martin for that, which, you know, they can go ahead and do that, you know. I mean, that's kind of messed up to not to tell people that you're sponsored by someone. But anyways, as you can see here, the Syndicate actually was called out on it, I guess, and he says this: transparency from here on out. So this is actually crazy, guys. And there's actually been a lot of drama going on in the CSGO community and the CSGO gambling community lately. If you guys have heard, you know, people calling out FaZe Rain on stuff like this, FaZe Adapt, going in with, you know, no evidence necessarily, just some speculation, a little bit of evidence saying, you know, how this whole thing is some deep underground, messed up sponsorship thing, I guess, where they're sponsoring these YouTubers and they're giving them CSGO emeralds or whatever and emeralds are basically real money. If you guys don't know how that works, you get emeralds, and that's the equivalent of real money. If you have 20 emeralds, you have $20. You gamble it, and you can win more emeralds, which you can transfer to real money. So there's been a lot of stuff going on in the CSGO gambling community, calling YouTubers out on basically not being truthful and trying to, you know, get sponsored by them, not tell their viewers, make it seem like it's real, make it seem like you can go out, spend 20 emeralds or 1,000 emeralds or whatever and win 60,000 emeralds in one night. And obviously this isn't the case here, and something's going on. So I'm just not finding out about this, guys. 37 minutes ago he tweeted this out. I'm going to refresh the page right here real quick and see if he posted anything. Nope. But I will give you guys updates on anything like this as it comes along. And as always, I hope you guys are having a great day. Subscribe for more videos like this, and stay tuned for some more update videos on things.